16 species in genus Sparaxis. Falling for Sparaxis, a personal journey into the world of harlequin flowers. As a lover of all things botanical, I, Ferb Vu, am constantly drawn to the unique and vibrant displays of the natural world. Recently, my attention has been captivated by a genus of flowering plants known as Sparaxis, belong to the Iridaceae family, more affectionately called harlequin flowers. These South African natives bring a burst of color and whimsy to any garden, and I've quickly become enamored with their cheerful disposition. A kaleidoscope of colors. What strikes me most about Sparaxis is the sheer diversity of their blooms. Each flower is a miniature masterpiece, boasting a captivating blend of colors that resemble a painter's palette. From the fiery reds and oranges of Sparaxis tricolor to the soft pinks and purples of Sparaxis grandiflora, there's a harlequin flower to suit every taste. The genus Sparaxis comprises approximately 16 species, each with its own unique charm. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, Sparaxis flowers possess a unique quality that I find particularly endearing. Their petals often exhibit a contrasting center, creating a starburst effect that draws the eye inward. This captivating feature adds depth and complexity to their appearance, making them all the more mesmerizing. Sparaxis also hold a special place in my heart due to their resilience. These hardy plants are well suited to a variety of climates and can thrive even in challenging conditions. This adaptability makes them an excellent choice for gardeners of all skill levels, from novice to expert. A symbol of joy and optimism. For me, Sparaxis represent more than just beautiful flowers. They embody a sense of joy, optimism, and resilience. Their vibrant colors and cheerful demeanor can brighten even the gloomiest of days, serving as a reminder of the beauty and resilience of the natural world. In a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable, Sparaxis offer a sense of stability and hope. They remind us that even in the face of adversity, there is always beauty to be found. Their ability to thrive in diverse environments serves as an inspiration to persevere through challenges and emerge stronger on the other side. Embracing the harlequin spirit. As I continue to explore the world of Sparaxis, I'm constantly amazed by their versatility and charm. Whether gracing a garden border, adorning a window box, or brightening up a vase as cut flowers, these captivating blooms bring a touch of magic wherever they go. I encourage fellow plant enthusiasts to embrace the harlequin spirit and discover the captivating allure of Sparaxis. These remarkable flowers offer a delightful blend of beauty, resilience, and symbolism, making them a cherished addition to any garden or home.